Good morning. Okay, well, I just got headers installed on my car and JD just dropped the car off. So I am gonna head for a drive and see how it sounds, because when he pulled in, it was just off the rev match. So it's probably like 2,000 RPMs and it sounded incredible. Now, we can rev up to like 7,500 RPMs in this. So let's go kind of see what it sounds like. First drive with Catless headers. So we drove like 3 blocks and you can already tell it's insanely loud at like 2,000 RPM. So here's a baby pull, but we're still in town, so we gotta wait for a second. Oh, I really feel bad. If you're my neighbor, I apologize in advance, but it's fun. If you're on the inside, if you do see this, I'll take you for a ride and you'll enjoy it a little bit more, I think. We'll get a little bit out here and we'll see what it sounds like. That sounds pretty good. I know videos are not going to do this car justice, but maybe if you watch more of them it will. Or, I don't know, that doesn't even make sense. Just watch more of the videos so we can keep doing stuff like this, I guess.